Hello and welcome to our channel.
In this video, I will teach you how to insert footnote in Microsoft Word. This is a very simple process. Just follow these simple steps to be able to do it. First of all, open Microsoft Word. Now, from menu bar, click on References. Now, you have to tap on Add Footnote. You can also use the shortcut key, which is Alt plus Ctrl plus F. You can see here a little one is coming. Now, you can insert a footnote. In order to remove it, just put the cursor in front of the footnote and press backspace. And this is how you do it. Users inserted footnote in Microsoft Word and also learned how to remove it.
I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.